today. Let's trade it now with Tim Bigham, options strategist at Pilot AI. Tim, good morning. How would you approach an example trade on HD for us this morning?
Yeah, good morning, Sam. And as you and Marley were talking about, not only is the housing market frozen, but the stock price seems to be frozen as of late. Kind of, in this sideways channel, 350 or so to the upside, serious overhead resistance, 320 to the downside, major support. So I think the earnings report today, as you alluded to, was, okay, maybe good, not great. Certainly, puts a little bit of a floor in the stock to offset those headwinds of higher rates and probably slower consumer spending as oil prices bite into that a little bit. So I'm just looking for this sideways sort of slide to continue over the next month or so, going out to traditional September, selling the iron condor, the 350 free double call spread, and at the same time, the 320, 315 put spread, bringing in about $2.50. So basically a coin flip here, whether or not the stock can have a meaningful breakout or breakdown. I think it'll continue to plod along here. You'll certainly get a little whip back and forth, but any meaningful move, I think, will be muted at best here. The forward guidance and earnings beat should help at least put a little bit of, a floor in the stock further. Valuation certainly not extreme on Home Depot either, but going forward, I think it'll be difficult to get a rip-roaring consumer back in play anytime soon, especially until we get kind of the Iranian situation out of the way, which will put a dent in oil prices. I think that'll slow consumer spending, certainly even at Home Depot as well.
All right, and obviously we're going to be looking at Toll up next. We're going to be talking about that one later in the program as well. Tim, really appreciate it. As always, thank you so much, Tim Bigham, options strategist over at Pilot AI.